Abele Walls is one of Ghana's popular local ice cream. There are so many ways to make it, but today I'm sharing with you guys how I make mine with a very simple ingredient you can find at home. The good thing about this recipe is you can easily learn it and then literally make a business out of it. So if you want to know more about this recipe, please sit back, relax, and then enjoy. So these are my ingredients and I'll be listing them in the description box. I'll start by adding 2¼ cups of milk powder and I'll add almost full cup of warm water. You need warm water for this recipe because you don't want to stress yourself mixing them up. Afterwards, I'll stir periodically till it's combined. So after mixing, I'll add just a drop of vanilla extract for flavor. You can use your preferred flavor and that's okay. I used condensed milk in place of sugar because I want it more creamy. Yeah, so you can use sugar and it's fine. So to give it extra taste and make it more creamier, I added some milk to it and trust me, it raised it to another level. This recipe is for the sweet tooth. When you know that and try. So I'll dilute it with some warm water. At this stage, you add as much water as you want. And it's to your taste. So I'll set some aside for the next recipe, so stay tuned. So I'll add the ice cream cups and then I'll fill it. If you've watched this far, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it. I also want to thank my new and then old subscribers for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. So I'll add the sticks and then we're done with the first step. I also added chocolate balls and trust me, this was an awesome idea because the kids loved it. Then fill the cups and add more chocolate balls to make it more catchy and nicer. And I'll add the sticks and then we're done with the second step. So stay tuned. So this is the last step. I'll start by adding the ice cream I set aside and I'll add just a 1/4 cup of sweetened cocoa powder and I'll dilute it with some warm water. This will help it mix properly. So aside cocoa powder, you can as well use Milo and you're good. So I'll stir properly until there is no lumps. Yeah, and I'll fill my cups and I'll add my sticks and we're done. So we got 2 recipes here. Yeah, so the next step will be refrigerating your ice cream and it all depends on your freezer. Mine was done after 6 hours. Yeah, so just look at that. It came out beautifully. Yeah, so all you have to do is to put your ice cream in water for a few seconds and it'll come out beautifully. Yeah, so if you've watched to the very end, thank you so much for your time. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.